Bam! Welcome back to another Mustang video, guys. Let's hit this a little bit, can we? Oh yeah, we can. Oh yeah. It is 50 degrees out right now, 55 degrees. It was like down to 34, 35 degrees, something like that, around those lines. You know, it was down to that. We need to calm down a little bit because it's like 30, 35 through here, and cops do sit through here. So, you know, one of the things for me is definitely not being arrested on the video. Also, let's not do something that I absolutely hate when I'm watching POVs of people like drive cars in YouTube, and that is doing this. I don't want to see like the interior of your car like this while you're driving. I want to see the outside. You know, I want to see both. So both has to be there. You gotta have both. Does that make sense? Like, I want to see your steering wheel, some dash, some of the outside, stuff like that. Don't just be sitting here like, oh, look, guys, here's the interior. There's like the entertainment system. Here's my wheel. Doesn't the wheel look good? Look, my phone's right there too. Doesn't that look good too? No, we need to see the outside while we're driving. That's how this got to be. And then you need to just absolutely rip going down something. You know what I mean? You need to put your foot on the gas and then calm down a little bit because you don't want to get in trouble. You know how it is? I do need to be a little bit careful here because there is people, quote unquote, that sit through here, police that sit through here, and you know, you can't get into quite some trouble for having loud pipes down through here. So I do need to be a little bit careful of that. But look at the day, man. Look at how it's going. Well, you guys can't really see that outside that window because it's closed, but look at this. Bam! Nature everywhere you look at, everywhere you see. Doesn't it look so great? 55 feels good to me outside. You know what I mean? It feels nice. You know, it's not like too unbearable cold. It's not like the warmest. You know, we start reaching 80 degrees. Don't like that. Don't like that crap. Do not like 80 degrees. Reason why is probably because I had asthma when I was younger as a kid. You know what I mean? Now, some people probably watching this video, they're like, I want to hear the pipes scream. Can the pipes scream? The pipes can scream. Okay, momentarily the pipes will scream, and then we will go back to normal. Ready? Here we go. There's a bag. I didn't know there was a bag in the back of my car. There's a bag flying around everywhere. It's like, what is it doing? Where is it going? What's happening? I had no idea there was a bag in the back of my car. I immediately hit the start button. I was like, oh, start button. I immediately hit the gas pedal and I was like, what in the hell is that noise going on? Just past the Dodge Magnum. That was pretty cool. That shit was crazy. I was like, what is going on behind me? It's a bag flying around behind me. Dude, freaked me out for a second. I was like, holy crap, what in the world is going on? Yeah, that was pretty fun. You know, pretty like what, 40 to 70? Pretty quickly. You know, how's everything going with you guys? Hear that little drone? The little drone there, the little tiny drone. Not off like Star Wars or anything like that, you know, not Roger Roger. But we got a little drone in the car. Little baby drones like this. Right there. That's what I love to hear. A little tiny drone while driving. A lot of people don't like drone from their exhaust or anything like that while driving. I love drone. Like, I don't know why. I just like to hear the car's exhaust while I'm driving. You know what I mean? Just like while driving, car exhaust, love to hear it. You know, love what it's all about. That's what I love about a car. To me, when you get in a car and you're driving and you hear the drone, that's like icing on the cake. You know what I mean? I don't like getting in a car and not hearing it. You know, some people like not hearing in their car unless they put their foot on the gas. I like hearing it at all times, you know, all the time. I love hearing it. It doesn't matter what car it is. You got a cammed out Corvette, love hearing the cams go boom, 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 boom. Different things like that. You know what I mean? Believe it or not, there are some people, this is going to sound crazy when I say this, there are some people who get like, you know, a little weird with hearing cams in their car. They don't like that. And they, you know, later on just come not to like it because of the drone or whatever it creates. I love that. I love driving down the highway and hearing the drone of the exhaust. Man, they already got this Publix built. That's insane. They only started that like, what, 2-3 months ago? It's already built, it's already ready, everybody's ready to go. But I'm gonna go ahead and leave you guys off here on this video. bam, it's about time you guys saw me in this video. But I'm gonna leave you guys off here in this video. Let me make sure I am actually recording myself real quick. Hold on, is this on me? This is on me. I'm gonna leave you guys off on this video. I hope you guys enjoyed a little bit of it. I thought I'd just bring you along a little bit, tiny bit for the ride on my way to where I'm going. And I will see you guys in the next video.